Whoa. What's all this wood? What is that noise, fam? What kind of creature is that? Oh, hold on. Alright. Okay. Must escape this house by unlocking the exit door. Search cabinets and figure out how to escape. Be careful where you drop down. Alright. Thank you for tuning in. It's about to get scary, I feel like it. We about to have to put on the feats and we're gonna have to run. Y'all ready? That's a nice chandelier, fam. That's like an old style rustic chandelier with your long neck. Hold on now. Y'all heard that? Whose chin is that? Whose chin is that? Alright. I feel like I hear footsteps, y'all. I don't really know nothing about this game. I feel like what is going on? What we gotta figure out what we running from. Come on. Sound like he back here. Is you good? Oh, they got these things, so we can go under here. Okay. I get it. Let me test one out real quick. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Alright, so it's a nice cabinet. I'm not gonna lie to you. Why is it so loud, fam? Nothing. How you going? Can you hear me? We gotta see what we're running from. Let's go. Come on. He just went this way. He's coming from this way now. Hey, boy. And who is this? Who is that? What kind of structural chin is? Alright, we gotta find out. We gotta find out what we're running from. I'm sorry, y'all. We gotta do it. Ooh! Got him. No, chill. What is that? What is that, y'all? Alright. Maybe this is the safest room in this joint, y'all. Let's get it. I think we dropped down this one, right? Let's see where we can hear him at. Okay. This way. Hello? Cuddy? Alright, let's go this way. I know he's supposed to move something around here or something. I could tell you got the colors. Colors probably out there. Yada yada. But we gonna put on the feet and we gonna jet. Hold on. Sorry if you hear noise in the background. Alright, we got a dip. I saw her over there. Or whoever that is. Hold on. What was that? Y'all saw that? Am I tripping? Alright. I don't think this is safe, y'all. I don't think it's safe. Please. Nah, we already checked that one, right? We're gonna check a different one. I can't be over here no more. Come on. It's dark. It's too dark. Oh, nah. Alright, come on, y'all. We just gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Hold on. Come on. Come on. It's all like a big circle to get you God, fam. He behind this wall. He behind this wall. Come on. Come on, 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 come on. Ah! Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. It's like following me, fam. Alright, let's check this. Let's check this. Shh. Shh. It's way too loud and I'm not getting nothing. It's too dark. Alright, here's one that we gotta push right there. I don't like that thumb. I feel like he's coming. Alright, if we're back here, are we trapped? Like, where do we go? Oh, we can go back here. Alright. Shh. If we get ran up on right here, we're gone. Oh, snaps. We gotta make it to this hallway. So let me search this one and hurry up. Please. Why you gotta be so loud, fam? It's like a whole bunch of tin cans in this bad boy. Shh. Okay. He's here. I'm dead. Go. Oh, he didn't see me. My bad, y'all. My bad. Am I safe? We're gonna risk it for the biscuit. Come on, for the Trisket. Shh. Alright, I'm about to stump on these cans. Y'all ready? We're not finding nothing in this joint. Look at him. I ain't never really got to study this guy. Okay, he hit that left. Where did we see? I want to see something real quick. I feel like he can appear over here and we can't see him. He could just run over here from that side of the hallway. I can't see nothing. Alright. Here's the plan. Search this real quick before Buddy runs up on us. It's too hard, fam. I feel like I see something, but I don't see something. Like, I don't know. It's too dark. Alright. We ain't got no flashlight, fam? That's crazy work. We gotta push that bad boy the whole way, fam? We're not making this, fam. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you that now. I ain't gonna hold you. Yeah, this ain't right. I heard that. Can he get me through this side? Oh, good. We're safe through the side. Alright, that makes things different. Come on, y'all. Okay. How do you, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, this is a little different. Okay, okay. This ain't good, y'all. This ain't good. This ain't good, y'all. This ain't good. He's over there to the left. He's where we need to go with this block. Hold on, fam. Push that bad boy, man. Stop playing. We can't pick it up. So we're gonna have to hit this left right here. I'm dead. Alright. Stick legs got me messed up. We're going back in this joint. Hold on. Okay. Okay, cheer your boy up. Yeah. I was just scared earlier. I was just scared. Now it's okay. We safe in the safe room. It's your boy Otis Jones, and you know that. Hey, what's up, fam? Look at that scarf. What we got going on? I'm in the summertime. Where are you? Why you wearing that scarf? I know that you're hot. It's your boy Otis Jones and patrolling the block. I don't even know. I was just pushing the block. But hey, I even got scared. Your boy Stick Legs got me down there. You know what I'm saying? Oh, look at you, bro. Alright, come on, y'all. We could join one with somebody else, but they take too long to be playing, fam. I'm trying to get in that bad boy. Let's go. Alright, we going, Let's go. We getting in there, fam. We ain't playing around. Let's go. I know y'all been drinking soda all week, man. Drink some water out here, alright? Alright, now that I know what I'm getting into, let's go. I ain't read none of this. We already read it. Come on. Fam's over here. We're going over here. Fam got me bad last time, fam. We gotta do something about that. We gotta put on the feet. I'm not even really worried about this right here. Hold on, I just realized. Come on. And with all the blocks, we're always... Chill. Alright, come on, fam. Stop playing with me, fam. Stop playing with me. Is that? Alright. You know what? I'm gonna put on the feet and just go. Come on. I don't care what fam got going on. How you make it over here so fast, though? You was just over there by me over there. Come on, we gotta do better. Come on, we got the feets, fam. We got the feets. Look at fam down there with the long neck, man. Alright, so he does. Oh. Got him. I tried to hop over that wall, fam. It wasn't letting me. I'm going back out there, though. But he kind of got me bent. Played him. Where you at? Where you at? Well, he was just going left. Is he going right now? Is he trying to get me? No, we got the feet though. We got the feet. Hello? Chicken Bone Jones. Alright. I want to go where he just went, to be honest. I'm not going to hold you. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Wait. I need to go. He's going. Why is he so fast? It don't matter. Got him. I'm on that. I'm not gonna lie, I'm on that. We got him now. Oh, he got me. We played him. We played him? Alright. We good. But he keeps going where I want to go right here. Look at him. Oh no. Oh, we own that. We got the feats now. You see what we just did? Let me check something real quick. Okay. Man, we got the feats now. Come on, I'm checking stuff now. Come on. Let's go. I gotta see how this person moves, fam. Am I speaking too soon? What's over here, though? This is where I came to see. And he's... What is this? Oh, that's where the blue one is. Okay. Look at him. He's trying to get me. How'd he get me? How, Sway? Spray some of that polo on, man. Fam got me bent out here. Alright, you know what time it is. Oh, that pineapple is hitting, though. I'm not gonna lie to you. Alright. Come on. See over here? Where you at? Crispy knees. Oh, crispy knees. Where he at, man? Who is that? It's another big chin. What's up with all the big chin drawings around here? My bad, my allergies is a little messed up, so you know what I'm saying, but I can still smell pretty good. Hold on. Or I'm gonna go for it. I don't hear him. Look at my feet though. Alright. Please. I'm dead. Head boy. Alright, let me chill, fam, before things get a little too real. Alright. Come on. We were looking at this, and remember, this is how we died last time. This is exactly where we died last time. Alright. Chill. My goal is not really for these blocks, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm trying to run around this joint. I'm trying to see what's really going on. So far, this thing is like fast, fam. gonna come around again? How did he do that? Hello? How did he do that though? He came around fast in the mud. He said boom. It's like he's skipping, fam. Hey, where you at, fam? Long legs. Start calling fam daddy long legs. I ain't gonna lie, twinkle toes, ain't it? Yo, I'm too hungry for this. I haven't even ate breakfast yet. You got me out here, getting scared on an empty stomach. You crazy. Look at fam, look at fam, look at twinkle toes. Look at him. Hit that corner, please. Alright, we chilling, fam. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you for tuning in, man. You already know you can be anywhere around the world, but you're here, which I ain't trying to get scared, y'all. But you're here with your boy. He's gonna make that left. He be doing some strange things, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, we got that in the open. Where are all these other blocks at, though? I wanna see something. What kind of books they got in here, huh? What kind of, let me see about, you know what I'm saying? What they be reading? Huh? This looks like a Masonic book right here. Okay. He keeps the key card on him. We got a key card on him? We gotta check that. I gotta see what that talking about. You know what I'm saying? That's that door we seen. Alright, I gotta see. How do we get to the key card on him? We're in a bad area too, by the way. Keeps key card on him. What is this? Oh, a little trappy doodah. Okay. I gotta see that key card on him. Come on. Actually, I'm starting to think twice about that. Okay. Chill, bro. Is this him? This is a painting of him, fam? This is his true nature? Long neck boy. Okay. He coming. I can't even do it. Okay. Might as well, you know what I'm saying? No, please. He's running. Yeah, he's already on me. Got him. And hopped it. Who are you, shorty? I don't even know. Who? Oh, no. Fam crying. We played, buddy. That's different now. Come on, let's go. We're a little different now, fam. Just kidding. We're not that different. Yeah, we different, fam. Come on. Got him. Look at his feet. Look at his feet. Little twinkle toes going on it. Alright, let me chill, fam. Twinkle toes. Twinkle toes. Twinkle toes. I heard you be tripping out here. I ain't gonna lie. Look at Twinkle Toes. Look at Twinkle Toes. Think he's slick. Oh no! Come on! Come on! Wait on him. All right. He different. I ain't gonna lie. He a little different. Played him. He not that different. What you thought this was, fam? Huh? We got this, fam. If fam appears on this hallway, he got it. If fam appears at this hallway, he got it. He got it, fam. He just showed me. Don't come down here, please. Please, please, please. Big chin, boy. Nah. He coming? Nah, we slid under there. We got him. Right? We slid under there and then we jumped over here. Alright, come on. Oh, he been on me since back then. Yeah, he just couldn't get me. He been on me, fam. Look at Twinkle Toes. Look at Twinkle Toes. Look at Twinkle Toes. He ain't on nothing. I ain't gonna lie to you. Got him. Easy. Let's see his toes. Where his toes at? He mad, fam. Mad hubba hubba, baby. Long neck, boy. Yeah, he on me. Come on. He ain't like that, though. He ain't like that. What's this? He's still on me. He's still on me. I gotta chill. How is he still on me like that? He still on me? Nah, he walking slow now. Something ain't right, fam. Hey, Kakarot! Let me chill. Before we die in this bad boy. They got Kakarot in this bad boy? They got Goku? Do they got Krillin? No one ever has Krillin. Even though Kakarot my dude, though. That's fire. You? I don't know about that. But Kakarot. Alright, come on. They got Kakarot on the wall. We out of here. I ain't gonna lie to you. Got him. Okay. You just, just chilling. Getting a little bit over there at a time. Oh, this is what they was talking about. Oh, he coming. Keep my head on a swivel at the same time. Did he lock onto me? Like, what's the extra noise for, fam? Which way he coming from? Alright. He's coming from this hallway, I feel like it. I want to look at this painting right here. What's this about? Why this chair facing this way? And why this chair's long? Oh, no. That's his chair, fam. That's his chair. Kakarot, that's his chair. He's still coming. He's still coming after me. Told you. Hurry up. Why is he still on me like this? He's still on me. Okay, he slowed down. But he's still over here. He's coming from this angle. Come on, he mad. He's mad. He's super. I ain't never seen him this mad. Maybe because it's the longest that he hasn't got me, fam. I told you, we learned a little bit from the last run. We put on the feet. Now we playing with Buddy. I ain't gonna lie to you. I need to see that, I need to see his chair, though. That long chair he be sitting in with his long back. I ain't gonna hold you. Where that chair? Okay, come on. Hello? Why? Please, why you be coming from a long way? What are you doing? Alright. Played him. I like this angle right here. He be trying to get me, fam. You gotta use it. Can he jump over this wall? Can he? Hello? You head boy. Come on, man. Can you jump over this wall? Is he coming? Yo, I'm right here, fam. He ain't coming, fam. Long neck, boy. He going that way. He think I crossed all the way over. Alright, you know what I'm here to do. You know what I'm here to do. You know what I'm here to do. I'm here to look at your long chair you be sitting in, fam. What's up with you, fam? Let me get up here. got this chair that you sit in, and then you got this chair for me? Nah, fam, we not about to be sitting in this chair faced and looking at this. What's up with buddy? How we get in there? Like, what's going on? Let me see something, fam. Don't you wonder what's inside? Nah. Cause outside the door looks better than what the door looks like. I'd rather stay outside, you know what I mean? The door dark, fam. I'm good on that. And please, why? Go. Go. No, I'm dead. That's all we got, fam. Thank you for tuning in, man. I'm tired of getting scared, man. I'm tired.